Hi, this is my video for my coconut oil review. A few years ago, I used to put coconut oil in my hair every second or third night for 2 years. I would leave it in overnight and then I would wash it out in the morning. And I'm gonna do that again. I kind of just want to share how I think it helps your hair grow. I think it's good for your hair, especially if you dye your hair a lot. Um, so I'm gonna try that just to show you guys over the course of a month what it's gonna look like. I will take a picture every 2 to 3 days, and I will take a picture of my hair this first day, which so the first picture will have no coconut. It won't be a coconut oil treatment at all, and you cannot see reviews over um, just one treatment. It takes like a month or two before you actually start seeing um, results in your hair. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah. I'm gonna add to that first video that I don't use anything special for my hair. I actually just use Dollarama shampoo and conditioner right now because I'm kind of broke. So that's all I use for my hair, and I will show you guys that. I put in a couple extra products every time, but not very many. So this is what I use. It's from Dollarama. It's nothing special. This one is a no-name conditioner that I got from Walmart. And if I change up at any point in this next month, if I change what I put in my hair, I will definitely post that and mention it before my pictures are shown on the video. So this is something else from Walmart that I put in my hair. It makes your hair like super soft. I use another Walmart product for when I apply heat to my hair, which is almost every day. And then I have this. That's just for the ends of my hair because they look gross and I don't get my hair cut often. So I'm trying to grow it out, which is why I'm trying this new coconut oil thing. So, yeah. Hi, so I'm just filming the end of my first month of doing coconut oil treatments in my hair. I was planning on going the whole month, but my hair just, I don't know, when I did it the first time, I expected oil and everything to like build up and like whatever that happened the first time I started, like in the beginning of my journey with coconut oil treatments in my hair, is yeah, my hair would get really oily and then it would stop and my hair would like just be smooth and soft after I kept doing the treatments. But this time my scalp is not only really oily, but it's also really itchy. So I don't know if it's from the coconut oil or if it's from the fact that I just got my hair dyed, and which is another thing, is this first month review isn't going to be that great because if you're looking for a hair growth, I did get my hair cut. So the simple fact that I got my hair cut, you can't really tell if it grew at all. But yeah, so I am cutting this short, and it is my break period because you don't want to consistently be putting coconut oil in your hair every single time you wash it. And like you do that for a certain period of time, but after like a certain period of time, depending on your hair, I guess it's each individual's hair. You could do whatever I do, but it's really what your personal preference is too. So I did coconut oil treatments, probably, it's almost a month. I started on the 13th. I started on the 13th and I was going to go to the 13th of April, but that's just not going to happen because my hair is just hating me. So I'm going to take 2 weeks of just regularly washing my hair, and then I'll go back to doing my second month of coconut oil treatments, and hopefully this time you'll be able to see the changes. I am going to go and get my hair retoned, and then yeah, the second month you'll probably see better reviews. But my hair is feeling so much healthier, especially after I just bleached it, like, and dyed it. It's actually feeling pretty good. So that will be the end of my month 1 coconut oil treatments and my review on it and how I like it, and I love it. So I hope you try it too.